starting from 8th standard when Bhaiya came to our school. When he came to meet us, he started talking about like what is our Marathi and Hindi level, because that subject was out of TFI subject. So our level was really at 0. Then when Bhaiya got to know this, he felt very shocked. Then he was like, he will teach us Marathi. And then that time we felt like, oh, like we are very lacking behind in Marathi, and our boards are in 2-3 years, and we ignored this subject like from 1st to 8th standard.
When in 8th standard Bhaiya came, my level was in Marathi. My level was almost like 0. I just can read everything, but I cannot understand any word's meaning, because from 1st to 6th or 5th standard we used to just focus on English and only English, and we don't used to even see which chapters are there in Marathi. That's why my level was that much.
So our level was very weak, that we can't understand 8th standard textbook because that will be so hard for us. So in summer when we were in 8th standard, Bhaiya brought us textbook from 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard and 7th standard, and we did all the chapters from that textbook. So when we were doing the chapters day by day, and this couldn't happen because of 1 day or 1 month practice. Because of doing daily practice, our level each textbook by textbook and standard by standard, our level increased. And because we didn't study this from our before standards, we didn't study this subject. So when we were learning in groups, and not we were just like learning and teaching. We used to have fun also, like we used to have dialogues. We used to have conversation with each other in Marathi dialogues, so we could understand the lines more, and how we used to study each textbooks, each chapter. So we could recognize some words from before chapter that we have learned. So this way our vocabulary increased. So when we are reading the next chapter or next textbook, more words we are getting familiar with the words, and we can understand more easily. Then when at a stage where we are all able to read, write and recognize some words and lines, at this stage we started focusing on syllabus chapters, because that was really important for our exams. So when we started focusing on the syllabus, we used to do the chapters again and again and solve the same question again and again. And then when all the chapters are over, we used to again restart from the first chapter and solve each question again and again. Then we used to sit in groups, so we used to read the passages and help each other to find the answer. So due to this, our familiarity increased more and more, and like when the day of exams came, when we have to write the answer, without even looking to the passage, we can directly write the answer. This was our familiarity with the textbook. So because of doing again and again chapter, doing again and again, our familiarity increased so much that without even looking to the chapter, we can just like the answer.
Bhaiya gave lots of worksheet, and Bhaiya used to come every day. That's why our Marathi level increases, and Bhaiya used to come and say to us that work in groups. So there used to be people like 1 people little higher level and 2-3 people little low. So we used to help each other and do the Marathi worksheets. And if other person don't know, we help each other. That's why our Marathi level increases.
Every evening we all sat with the worksheet with different chapters, passages, and we solve same questions again and again, and we get the familiarity with exactly the answer of the question, and some of the answers like Akriti Purna Kara we can remember. So when the question comes, we directly write the answers. In 1 week we sat and make a mind map of all chapters, so we could understand that what is the sequence of the chapters going on and how things are happening in the chapter.
We used to solve worksheets by sitting in a group, and now we became so much familiar that we were able to, even though we didn't saw the answer, when we see the question, just immediately answer comes in our mind, even though we are not looking at the passage. Then But now when we see at the question quickly, it reminds us that this question is from that chapter or this chapter. And before this semester exam, we made charts of how things happened in the story. First what happened and then next what happened, so we were able to understand the story.
भैया रोज़ वर्कशीट हम लोग को देते थे, इसकी वजह से हम लोग मतलब फैमिलियर हो गए थे सीन पैसेज से। और फिर भैया कभी कभी अनसीन पैसेज देते थे, उसकी वजह से हम लोग पहला 2-3 दिन हम लोग को डर लगता था कैसे करेंगे, लेकिन रोज़ के हैबिट की वजह से हम लोग अभी अनसीन पैसेज देखते तो हम लोग अपने से कर लेते। फिर उसकी वजह से हम लोग का यूनिट एग्ज़ाम में अनसीन पैसेज भी आया तो भी हम लोग कर पाए,
आंसर लिख लिए थे।
2.5 साल पहले मेरे को मराठी पढ़ना नहीं आता था, लिखना नहीं आता था, तो भैया ने बहुत एफर्ट दिखाया। हम लोग को अलग अलग ग्रुप में लेके बैठे, हम लोग को पहले लेटर से स्टार्ट किया आ से। उसके बाद समर में हम लोग छोटे ग्रुप में बैठते थे, उसके अंदर भैया हम लोग को वर्कशीट देते थे। उस ग्रुप में हम लोग भैया हम लोग को हेल्प करते थे सॉल्व करने के लिए। फिर अभी पीछे हम लोग का पेपर था, उससे पहले ही भैया ने हम लोग को बहुत सारी वर्कशीट्स दिए थे पैसेज रिलेट करके उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन लिखने के लिए। तो जब हम लोग का पेपर हुआ तो हम नया बहुत अच्छे से लिख पाया पेपर।
पहले जब भैया आए थे तो मेरा मराठी का लेवल बहुत ख़राब था और मुझे उसमें ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं था पढ़ने का, और मेरा स्कोर्स भी उसके वजह से बहुत कम आते थे, लेकिन मैं ध्यान नहीं देता था उसके ऊपर। मेरा मन ही नहीं होता था कि उसको मैं ध्यान दूँ और पढ़ूँ। लेकिन जब भैया आए तो भैया मेरे को समझाया कि मेरे को उसके तरफ थोड़ा देखना चाहिए, पढ़ना चाहिए, वरना फिर मैं फेल हो जाऊँगा 10th में। तो मैं थोड़ा कोशिश किया, लेकिन उसके बाद मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया, मैं पढ़ना फिर छोड़ दिया। फिर भैया मेरे को फिर सेकेंड टाइम भी वापस से पुश किए, मेरे साथ बैठ के मेरे को वर्ड पढ़ना सिखाया। मेरे को वर्ड पढ़ने भी नहीं आता था। मेरे को भैया वर्ड पढ़ा है तो मैं थोड़ा अपने आप को अच्छा लगने लगा, मैं ध्यान देने लगा। तो ऐसा भैया क्लास में हर रोज़ लेते थे और एक ही चीज़ को बार रिपीट करते कि मेरे को उसका वर्ड समझ में आ जाए और स्टोरी में क्या होता है ये समझ में आ जाए।
In CC, Bhaiya used to give us charts, colorful charts, and we used to read the chapter, and by reading it we make a drawing in the chart so that we can understand better, because by seeing the pictures and drawings of the chapter I used to understand more.
Bhaiya did a lot for us. After in the vacation of 8th standard we came to CC and read all the Marathi textbooks of from 5th, I think 6th to 8th standard all, and I get to know how to understand Marathi. I can understand the meaning and write the answer properly. And in last month we did a lot practice of same passage again and again so that we can be familiar with the answers, and also the event that are happening in the passage.
Bhaiya came to our class, and when he started teaching us Marathi, I feel very helpful and useful, because he have given us so many things. For example, he gave us worksheets again and again. First he teaches us from textbook also. He teaches us from both. First he teaches and completed his syllabus from textbooks. After that he teaches us from the worksheet. And the worksheet and textbook both helped me, because first he gave the meanings of the words. After when the syllabus are finished, he repeated the chapters again and again. Then after so many days, when he and we also feel little confident about Marathi classes, that we can try little bit of our own, so he gave us Marathi worksheets of some chapters together and question based on them. After that we used to sit in groups in CC, and he gave us some specific time to complete that one chapter at like for example 15 minutes में one chapter, and we have to finish at that time only. So personally I feel very little confident that I can solve some of the Marathi questions.
Before I was used to very weak in Marathi. I even can't read a letter of Marathi, and I even can't write Marathi properly. But Bhaiya has helped a lot in Marathi. He used to take Marathi from 2.5 years for Marathi. We used to always write map,
we used to always write Marathi practice.
In summer, we started learning from 6th, 7th, 8th standard textbook, and we used to annotate things and learn more words. And from this my vocabulary has increased a lot. That's why I want to really thank Bhaiya for doing this. And also in 10th standard, the important thing that has led to my progress is that when I used to get a lot of practice of Marathi worksheets, I get a lot familiar with the passages in Marathi.